Welcome to the lesson on how to register for the Etobicoke Camera Club. This is the page that you'll use in order to register yourself into the club. The top part of the page gives you some information on the benefits and the costs associated with being a member. The yellow area of the middle of the page indicates the information required for registration. We'll go into a little more detail in a moment. And the bottom part of the page provides post-registration information. Please review this information after you've registered. Let's have a closer look at the actual registration details. There are 2 steps required in order to register for the Etobicoke Camera Club. The first part requires that you complete a fillable Google form. The form will be opened up in a new browser tab. The tab should be closed once you've completed entering all of your data in the form. Step 2 requires that you actually make the payment through an e-transfer at your bank. It's very important that you do not complete the registration process until you can complete both steps at the same time. Anything other than doing that may in fact create delays in your being registered into the club. The top part of the e-form gives you information about the club season that you're registering for. If you require any assistance during the registration process, contact us through email at contactetobicokecameraclub@gmail.com. Although the form indicates that you should sign into Google, it's not a requirement. You do not need a Google account, nor do you need to be signed into Google in order to use the e-form. All required fields have a red star or asterisk denoting that the field is in fact required. Please enter a well-formed email address, as this is how we will communicate back to you. Enter your first name. Enter your last name. Enter your primary phone number. Please use the format as seen on the screen. If you'd like, enter an alternate phone number, again using the same format, and enter your home address. In order to accommodate those living outside of Canada, we have removed the edit requirements for phone number, alternate phone number, and home address. For the home address, please enter the complete address, that being street, city, province, postal code, and country code. And if you're outside of Canada, enter the appropriate information in this field for your address. We'd like to know more about the camera system you're using. Over and above that, we'd like to know the camera type. Are you using a DSLR, mirrorless, bridge, etc.? If you post-process your images, what software are you using? We could always use your help here at the Etobicoke Camera Club. Please enter any area that you would be willing to assist us with. If you're a new member, we would like to ask you a few more questions, so please answer the following questions in section 2. If you're a returning member, a lapsed member, or an honorary member, we'll take you to section 3, as there is no requirement for you to answer the new member questions. Click on the next button in order to move to section 2 of the form. New member information. Do you have any prior experience with a camera club or a photography association? Please let us know what you consider your skill level to be, either beginner, advanced, or skilled. How did you find out about the Etobicoke Camera Club? If you heard about it from one of our members, we'd like to know who that is so that we could recognize that individual. If you'd like to go back to the previous section of the registration form, click on the back button. Otherwise, click on the next button to be taken to section 3. Please review the waiver assumption of risk information and then check that you accept the waiver terms. Please review the photo release information, and again, please check the photo release terms. Please review the information here about club mailing list and indicate if you'd like to participate in future emails or not. Please review the information here about being included in the shared club membership directory and let us know whether you'd like to participate, yes or no. Again, we review some club season information at the top of this section. If you are able to use your bank to make your e-transfer, simply do so by logging onto your bank account and transferring the funds to ecctransfers@gmail.com. If you require assistance, then please check this line item. And if you're an honorary member, fees are not required. Simply check this line item. Click the back button if you wish to go back to the previous section, or click the submit button in order to submit the registration form. You must complete the CAPTCHA screen. Once you select all the required images as instructed in the dark blue section at the top of this page, then click on the verify button and your registration form will be submitted. You'll see this confirmation. That's your indication that your form has been sent out. At this point, you can close this tab and be returned back to this page. Please review step 2, where the payment information is. As stated before, if you require assistance with sending your e-transfer, then email us at contactetobicokecameraclub@gmail.com. Include your phone number where you can be reached. Please take a moment to review the information at the bottom of this page. So, what happens now? The membership director will confirm your payment. Your account will be configured. A membership approval email will be sent to you. If by chance you don't receive this email within a couple of days, please check your junk mail folder. That's it. Welcome to the Etobicoke Camera Club, and we'll see you at the next meeting. Remember, if you need further assistance, email us at contactetobicokecameraclub@gmail.com.